Happy World EV Day, friends. I have been involved in many electric vehicle projects so far already in my career, but now I have started to design my own. And this is the engineering day number 9, and now I will show you how's the process going and where I am now. At the moment, I'm engineering the interior of the front of the vehicle, and mainly the dash area is in focus. So driver seat I have made to correct size so it fits the size of the driver. It was a little bit too small previously, but now it's sized correctly. Then the front sliding door has already been here previously, but now you can see it maybe better. Also, the tab for the driver has been there previously, and there he can see speeds and where to go next and stuff like that. What I have done, I have quickly designed or modeled the dash here, and here I have put some pockets where the driver can put next package, which we delivered next, or some other items. Then I have also made the armrest for the driver, and under the armrest there is a hatch which turns to the front and opens, and there you can have a place for some stuff like things to eat or one bottle holder. It's still in the process of designing. And when you flip the armrest closed, you can put nicely your hand to the smooth surface there. Then the steering rack will go there through the console, and you have only 2 pedals because it's electric car, and you have your leg resting place also there. Also, I have added these shelves which are in front of the actual rear area, so the driver can also place items which will be delivered next also here, and the slide door will go through this wall when it opens totally open. Concerning the steering wheel also, if we will look closer, you have plus and minus tabs like in race cars, and there you can use the regeneration force lever, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel if you want to have more or less regeneration. And then you also have some switches under the steering wheel where you have some functions to adjust. So target is to have a steering system so that you don't have to take your hands away to any dash panel far away from the driver in normal driving functions. Everything can be used here on the steering wheel. For the driver, I will also add here a phone holder for his own phone, so it's easily available here on the right side. And of course, there will be handrest, flip handrest for the right arm also. That's the process at the moment. If you like electric cars, spread the information of various projects all over the internet, and they will get more visibility and more people get interested. Once again, happy Electric Vehicle Day, and order the channel if you want to see how the progress in this project goes. Thanks for watching.